If you want to lock your Chrome profile with a password, this tutorial will walk you through the easiest way to do it step by step. This is a great option if you share your computer, want to protect your browser profile, or just want a little extra privacy for your tabs, bookmarks, and browsing activity. Before we start, make sure you're using the Chrome profile you want to protect. And if this video helps, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, make sure you're signed in to the specific profile you want to lock. That's important because the extension will protect the active browser profile, so you want to make sure you set it up on the correct one. Next, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. From the drop-down, hover over or click Extensions, then choose Visit Chrome Web Store. This will open the official Chrome Web Store where you can install the tool we need. In the Chrome Web Store search bar, type Browser Lock and press Enter. You should see an extension called Browser Lock Lock Your Browser. This is the one you want. Click on the extension to open its details page and double check that it's the correct extension before installing. Now click Add to Chrome. Chrome will show a confirmation window asking you to approve the installation. Go ahead and click Add Extension. Chrome will now download and install the extension automatically. Give it a moment to finish. Once the installation is complete, look near the top right corner of Chrome again and click the puzzle piece icon, which is the extensions menu. This will show you all of the extensions you currently have installed. Find Browser Lock in the list and click it to open the setup window. When the Browser Lock window appears, click Open Settings. This is where you'll configure the password protection for your Chrome profile. In the settings page, you should see an option to create your password. Enter a strong password that you'll remember but that others won't easily guess. If the extension asks you to confirm the password, type it again carefully so there are no mistakes. After entering the password, save your settings. Depending on the extension version, you may see a Save button, Apply button, or some kind of confirmation prompt. Make sure the password is saved successfully before you close anything. At this point, your Chrome profile should be locked through the Browser Lock extension, meaning anyone who tries to open it will need the password you created. It's also a good idea to test it right away. Close Chrome completely, then reopen it and check whether the lock screen appears. If it does, enter the password you set up and confirm that it unlocks normally. This quick test helps make sure everything is working exactly the way you want. If you ever need to change the password later, just return to the Browser Lock settings and update it there. And if you want to remove the protection completely, you can go back into Chrome's Extensions menu and disable or remove the Browser Lock extension. That's it. You've now learned how to lock your Chrome profile with a password in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe for more practical tech guides, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Chrome tips and privacy tools in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.